Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Special shout out and thank you to one of you guys, Sarah M. I'm not going to say her last name because I don't know if she would want that or not. She's always in the comments, really nice subscriber, and she's from Maine. And if you remember the video I made earlier in the week where I was like, Tuesday or Saturday, go look for the clearance, because a lot of this stuff I had a feeling that it would start hitting 90%. At her store in Maine, it started hitting 90. At one store here, I actually found some 90% cleaners. So we're just going to go through this, but shout out to her. She made this possible today, and my goodness gracious, there is some fire flames clearance. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, meaning what might be happening here in Maine, it might be the same, but say you're in like California, it might be something completely different. But keep an eye on this, guys, because even if you see an orange tag for certain products, bring it to the cashier and say, hey, could you do a price check? So we're talking ice cream and cleaner, two of the things that don't belong together, but they're following 90. So this Eddie's ice cream is 60 cents. So from $5.99 down to 60. So even if it's not marked and you see an orange tag in the ice cream aisle, like in the freezer section, bring one to your cashier and say, hey, could you scan this for me? What's the price point? And then from there, you'll know if it's following this clearance. This Talenti gelato for 60 cents, that is a steal of a price. And these are Sarah's photos. So I really appreciate all of these. It just gives us an idea of how things are clearing out. So if you are in New England, I would absolutely go out if you have a couple minutes to spare, or first thing tomorrow morning, if you're going to Walgreens, by all means, like look for some of these clearance items that we're talking about. We have the fancier Haagen-Dazs also for 60 cents. Now I know that Maine is a dairy state, meaning that like eggs, milk, cheese is always a little bit more expensive. So for a lot of these frozen treats, I mean, how amazing is that to pay 60 cents? Okay, this method, it's an antibacterial cleaner. The original price point is $4.29. It's that blue one smack dab in the center. 43 cents. That is called your Christmas and birthday wrapped up together. How amazing. We're looking at the 7th generation. This is a disinfectant spray. So a lot of this stuff like pandemic, disinfectant spray, disinfectant wipes, a lot of that stuff, that's what we're going to be looking for. 65 cents. I mean, this makes me excited. That is a fire flames price. The Fabuloso disinfectant wipes, 50 cents. Is it the Dollar General app, or does Walgreens also have a buy one get one free on those? Maybe it's just the Dollar General app. It's still for 50 cents. Use some Walgreens cash, use a store register reward, get creative. 50 cents is a stock up price. This Lysol for 48 cents. I think I have to move to Maine because I am just like, wow. Everything is like, wow. This is all stuff that I love to buy. It's just like my favorite hits. 48 cents. So if you see some of those orange tags, even if it's a different price, bring it up to the cashier and smile and say, could you give me a price check on this? And if it's 33 cents, you're buying like a lot of them because this is such a good price point. So I don't know if they're not going to be carrying this stuff anymore or what the deal is, but I knew I could feel that it was going to be hitting 90 soon. Who knew it was this close? We have the Clorox Platinum and the Clorox Clinical. This is a newer product. $14.99 down to $1.49. $6.99 down to 70 cents. That is a little something called stock up price. Make room in your family pantry for this, guys, because this is a really good price point. This is the one detergent product. I did get my local store to scan some detergent, and most of it was 50% off, but this Woolite was 60 cents. See, there's $1. If she could find 2 Woolites, she could get this, for 10 cents each using that dollar coupon. Now, at my local store, 73 cents for this Pledge. It's an antibacterial multi-surface cleaner. This was the only one. So see, it was tagged at $6.49. Now it's down to 73 cents. There wasn't that much, and some of this stuff was like 75% off at different stores, and some stores had nothing. But I was lucky to find one of these. And then another great find that I found was the Drano. This was a double pack, and I almost fainted when I saw the price. $21.99. What is that exactly? $2.19. That's a little something I can work with, but $21.99. I've never looked at this product. And again, it's a double value pack, but my goodness gracious, that stuff is really expensive. So I used a bit of Walgreens cash to pay that down, but my goodness. And now we have sprayed. This is 75% off at $1.69. But if you have a bit of arachnophobia like yours truly, $1.69 is definitely a stock up price. The Infamil from $32.99 down to $16.49, so that's 50% off. If you have a baby, this might be a stock up price. And apparently, formula is supposed to be like really jumping in price. I know in some states it's upwards of $50 for a canister of this price, so wow, that is a lot of money. The Mr. Bubbles, 50% off at $2.49. Keep an eye out when this might drop a little bit more. I'm just showing you a couple clearance items that I saw, not 90, but still 50%. And another little cheapy is these moisturizing bath beads, 50% off at $1.69, the Walgreens brand. And I did see this Dove men's body wash. It's $3.79. If you remember from my Friday video, we're going to get a 7 off a 2. So pairing it with this clearance stuff, we're going to have to wait and see what happens with it. But if your store might have it, we have a very high digital coupon showing up on Sunday morning. Before I take off, guys, if you might have a Bed Bath & Beyond, you can either do this in store or online. They have 5 items in their store that's $5 each. That is insane, including a cast iron skillet, a wine opener, a set of sheets, even the king size is included, some bath towels, and then this really cozy blanket. Shout out to the freebie guy. He was talking about it this morning. So it's this Saturday, the 12th and the 13th. If you might have one of these stores, place an order online or go to the store. I got this whole cart of items, guys. 4 items for $20. Wow, that is some tremendous savings. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.